On July 8, Chinese state broadcaster CCTV released a promotional video of China's J-31B stealth fighter jet, produced by the state-owned Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. The footage suggests that the aircraft can carry 2 missiles in its side weapon bays. Moreover, the main weapons bay can carry 4 PL-12 medium-range air-to-air missiles similar to those used on the J-20. The transformation of the FC-31 into J-31 indicates that it has met the formal requirements for military service and has received an official designation. Originally marketed as the FC-31 for international sales, the jet is now referred to as the JF-31 or JF-35 by Chinese experts, though the plane has no official designated name. The latest prototype looks slightly bigger than the original FC-31, which was unveiled a decade ago. The report also stated that the warplane completed its maiden flight in 2012 and was publicly unveiled at the 2014 Zhuhai Air Show. Xinhua News reported in 2015 that the aircraft had the potential to enhance the capabilities of the J-20 in aerial combat and could also operate alongside the J-15 on aircraft carriers. In recent years, the aircraft has generated a lot of buzz, primarily because it is an aircraft carrier-based plane. There is speculation that the fighter jet will be used on China's third and most advanced aircraft carrier, 5th-Gen, equipped with electromagnetic catapult systems. The first 2 fighter jet prototypes since their introduction in 2012 were based on a land-based aircraft. Over time, interest in the land-based version of the plane declined, shifting the focus to the carrier-based version. Despite this, Shenyang Aircraft Corporation reconsidering the land-based variant due to interest from potential foreign buyers like Pakistan. China had displayed a model of the FC-31 at the Saudi Air Show in January. In the same month, Pakistan's Air Chief Marshal Zahir Abbas Babar Sidhu announced plans to purchase the plane. He said, "The foundation for acquiring the J-31 stealth fighter aircraft has already been laid, which is all set to become part of the PAT's fleet in the near future." Compared to the carrier-based version, the J-31 featured a larger surface area with a small gap where the horizontal tail surfaces intersect with the wing. The land version also has a twin-wheel setup instead of the single-nose wheel arrangement on the carrier-based plane. It also lacked the catapult launch bar, a norm on planes aboard an aircraft carrier. China is promoting the sale of fighter jets to Pakistan and the Middle East, as demonstrated by the plane's presence at the Saudi Air Show. China has prohibited the export of the J-20 aircraft. Thus, the push to create a ground version of the J-31 can be seen as China's effort to enter the lucrative 5th-generation fighter jet market. Questions have been raised about the aircraft's design and features, as it is still in its initial stage. The stealth elements are the forward-swept intake ramps with diverterless supersonic inlet bumps, a 2-piece bubble canopy, curved weapon base, and 2 oblique vertical stabilizers. Composite materials make up a significant part of the fuselage. Officials from the Aviation Industry Corporation of China have stated that the aircraft is undetectable by L-band and Q-band radars and can evade other sensors. The aircraft is being readied for supercruise capability. The prototype aircraft's engines were RD-93 engines, similar to the ones on Pakistan's JF-17, made by Russian manufacturer Klimov. Later, China shifted to the improved variant of the Guizhou WS-13, also known as WS-13E, with a 100 kN thrust. The latest information suggests that the warplane could have the WS-19 engine, which will provide a maximum thrust of 12 tons, an increase from the base VS-13 thrust of 9 tons.